How to create AI movies without any camera, microphone, without recording your own voice, or without any other tools. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an all-in-one tool that creates everything. Designs the character, keeps the consistent character throughout the video. It even goes ahead and generates the voiceovers, the dialogues. It also generates the captions for you. It has an inbuilt editor as well. And apart from all this, it has multiple other functionalities as well. Right from sound effect to background music, everything would be done by this one tool. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me, because by the end of this tutorial, you are going to make a cinematic video just like this.
Dad, there's a new robotic Iron Man toy at the toy supermarket. Can we go see it?
Of course, son. Let's go have a look.
Dad, do you think they have giant robots?
They probably have every toy you can imagine.
This is going to be the best day ever! Wow! Dad, this place is amazing!
I knew you'd love it.
There are toys everywhere! Dad, this is it! This is the one I wanted!
It really is impressive.
Look at the...
So welcome to this Video Express AI 3.0 tutorial, and I am going to use Video Express AI 3.0 to actually create a cinematic video right from the scratch. And I'm going to use only Video Express AI, no other tools. I'll take help from ChatGPT or Gemini for prompting. You may write your own prompts as well, but I feel that you get a better prompt if you are using some AI. So that's again up to you. That being said, without further ado, let's jump over to this laptop and let's start the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel right now, because in this very channel, I do reveal this kind of tool that can save you a ton per month. Because if you go for other video generating softwares that are AI video generators, they are going to charge you monthly. And even after charging you monthly, they will cap your credits. They will actually put a limit on the productivity. But here, this tool comes at a one-time price. Apart from that, I do have got you covered with coupon, and I do have got you covered with bonuses as well. I'm going to disclose it all, don't worry. But before that, first of all, let's see how you can build something like I have shown. So for this, we just need to come over to Video Express AI, as you can see, and the other tool that we are going to use is ChatGPT. Now, step one is going into ChatGPT and typing exactly what you need. Now, you have seen the video, and in the video, it is about a father and son, and it's a 2D Pixar kind of thing. So I have given exactly the storyline over here, and I have given the context, right, to ChatGPT. And then I have asked ChatGPT to provide me the complete prompt, and I've also told it to use consistent character, right? So now if I hit on enter, and as we can see, ChatGPT has given two ways, right? And in here, as you can see, this is response 1 and this is response 2. So on the response 1, I get the better things like character consistency and then the scenes, right? So I would prefer going with the response 1. So I would say I prefer this response, right? And as you can see, this is the response that we have got. Now, all that we need to do is first of all, create the father and the son characters, right? So we are just going to copy this, go over to Video Express AI. Now you don't need any other tool, as I have multiple times stated. Just come over to this, create video from prompt, click on this, and in here, give the image prompt, right? Now we also need to give this visual style as well. Just copy this and paste on Video Express AI like this. Once this is done, I would tick off this enhance my image prompt, because this would actually enhance the prompt, and that means it won't actually stick to my prompt, but I want it to stick to my prompt. And then I'll select the type as 2D. And once this is done, I'll click on create image. And as you can see, it has created the father character over here. Now, all that we need to do is come down over here. And in here, we just need to click on this consistent character. Just click on plus. And as you can see, this character has been added, right? Now we are going to do the same for the son, right? So let's do this. So as it is the same, I'm doing it quickly over here. Now again, we will select this as 2D and we will turn this off, and then we will go ahead and click on create image, and boom, as you can see, it has created the son character as well. Now it has got an option to save this image as well, so that you can use it for a later purpose, right? So I would prefer saving these images, because these are our consistent character images and we are going to use them regularly. Now I'm going to add this to our consistent image as well as a second character. So as soon as we do so, now we are getting 2 characters, right? So that's the first part done and dusted, which is creating the characters. Now we actually need to create the movie. So for that, I had splitted the movie into multiple scenes. So I had splitted the scene in these parts. Like I need a visual prompt because that's how Video Express works. It creates an image and then translates that image into video. And then I had created the dialogues, and then I have also got the background music, sound effect, camera motion, animation, all of that, right? So the first things, this is the first scene that we have. So all that we need to do is copy this visual prompt, right? And then go back to Video Express. Now make sure that you turn on this use consistent character, because this would ensure that you are using these two characters, right? And then I'm going to actually delete whatever is there on the image prompt, and then going to paste this, right? Now if you want to, you can tick this automatically enhance my image prompt, or since it is already optimized, so I may tick this off as well. But if you are writing prompts by yourself, I would say turn this on. Once this is done, just click on create image. And as you can see, two versions are being created. So let's wait. And by the way, if you are trying to make a story in a vertical format, you just need to choose this vertical one, right? So this I had script, so I just remembered it. If you want to, you can actually make the aspect ratio vertical or horizontal. Since the video that I had shown was horizontal, so I've started with the landscape mode, right? So let's wait for the results. And as you can see, it has generated two images. Now you can choose whichever you find good. I think this image looks quite good. So all that you need to do is select this image and then go back to ChatGPT. And this time we need to paste all of these, right? Just copy this, go back to Video Express, and in here, go over to this video and audio prompt, and in here, paste this, right? Now once this is done, you can actually come over here. And in here, there is a thing called advanced mode. On the advanced mode, just select manual video length and increase it to 10 seconds. Because the dialogue I had selected may span up to 10 seconds. That's why, right? Now, if you want to share this in the public gallery, you can do that. Or if you don't want, that's perfectly fine. You can remove that as well. So once this is done, we will click on create video. And once this is hit, it will be actually submitted and it would be rendered on the background. So that's a great thing because you can keep continuing working, right? So in the same way, I'm going to actually show you two scenes. So let's actually go ahead for the next scene. And in here, you can see there is another scene over here. So let's copy this and let's go back to Video Express. And in here, I'm going to delete the image prompt and paste in my new prompt over here, and I'm going to delete the video prompt as well. Now I'm going to make sure that use consistent character is turned on, and I'm going to hit on create image. So as you can see, the images are being created and the video is being created as well. All of that works seamlessly. So let's wait a little. And as you can see, it has generated a couple of images and both of them looks ideal, right? So you can go ahead and choose any of them. Say for example, this one, and then just go back to ChatGPT and copy all of this and go back to Video Express, go over to video and audio prompts, paste this, and then make sure that you turn this advanced mode, manual mode, and 10-second on. Once this is done, just click on create video. And again, this video is also being submitted. As you can see, this video will appear in your media library under my media tab when ready. So let's go ahead and check how this video turns out. So you just need to come over to this media library, click on this, and in here, you just need to, let me show you both of the things, right? You can see over my AI images, and in here, if you go, you can see this father-son duo that I had saved, right? So these are available anytime. If you wish to check them, you can do that, right? Now you need to go back, and in here you also have my AI videos. Just click on that, and as you can see, this scene has already been created, and this scene is being created 27%. So let's bring this on. It has an inbuilt editor, as you can see over here. So I have just dragged this on, and let's play and see how it turns out.
Dad, can we go to the toy supermarket today?
Of course, buddy. Let's go and see what you like.
Yay! Thank you, Dad!
Look at this. This is amazing, right? So I can't wait for this one. This one would come up pretty soon. So let me quickly go over to Video Express again and let us actually create the third scene quickly. So in this way, I'm not actually going to create all of this over here, but just for the demo purpose, I'm going to show another scene over here so that you get acquainted with the process. Remember to use this consistent character, hit on create image, and the image would be created on the first step. So as you can see, the images are being created. So let's wait a little. Now, as you can see, it has come up with the 2 images option, right? And this one actually has an additional character that happens with any AI that you work around with. So you can always regenerate it, but then that's why it generates 2 images, because this one looks fine, right? So we are going to use this one, and then we are going to actually go over to ChatGPT again, and then we are going to take this, go over back to Video Express AI, And then we are going to actually paste this over here. And then again, make sure that this advanced mode is turned on and manual mode 10 second is selected. Once done, we'll click on create video. And this is our third video that has gone into production. So let's wait and let's see in here. As you can see, the second video has been generated as well. So let's bring it on. And the best part, as I told you, it has an inbuilt video editor where we can combine these clips together. We can add transitions, we can add other things over it, overlays, b-rolls, whatever you wish to, and create a complete video from this same tool. So isn't that amazing? So let's go ahead and play this and see how it has turned up.
Dad, this store is huge!
It sure is. Let's find something special.
I can't wait!
So look at this. The transitions are perfect. The scene is really looking continuous, right? So that's the great part over here. So let me quickly create the scene 4 as well. And again, make sure you use the consistent character and the 2D kind of thing and click on create image, and the images are being created. So let's wait again. And as you can see, the sun discovers a 3D premium Iron Man robotic model. So here it is, right? And then let's go for the dialogue prompt. But one thing over here is that during this dialogue, the father and the son would be involved. So I should add over here. So I just added the father character over here because in these two, you can see only one character and the robotic toy is here, but I want both of these characters, right? So I'll go for create image once again. So that's how you need to tweak a little if something is not exactly the way that you want to. So you can just tweak and you can get. That's why Video Express AI is very important, because it gives you nearly unlimited generation. And with any AI, you know, it's not always you get the first result bang on. You need to experiment. But today, in these days, these AI softwares are actually credit-based and token-based. And once you use them, you are actually spending real money, right? So that's why I love this tool, because this gives you this flexibility to use it in the way you want to. So let's wait. And as we speak, you can see this time it has created a perfect one. So I'm going to select this. And then once done, I'm going to select all of these prompts over here, copy and go over to Video Express AI and paste this. Now, once this is done, I'll make sure that these are turned on and I'll click on create video. So now the video is being created. So let's wait. So as you can see, 3 video clips have been generated. So let's put them all together quickly. That's the first one, then the second one, and the fourth one is in generation. So we need to wait for that, but it's all the same, right? You have seen how it works. Now I put them together. Now let's play and see how it looks all together. So let's play this.
Dad, can we go to the toy supermarket today?
Of course, buddy. Let's go and see what you
Look
like.
at this, right?
Hey, thank you. Dad, this store is huge!
It sure is. Let's find something special.
So what is happening is that since it's giving a preview, we have not rendered it. So sometimes it's lagging a bit, but once we render it, it would be fine. No issues, right?
Wow! Look at all these toys!
Take your time. Choose your favorite.
I will, Dad!
So look at this, right? This is quite extraordinary. Now you can actually go ahead and add different things to it. Say, for example, if you want to add your text animation, if you want to add a text, if you want to add any images as overlay, any videos as overlay, you can do that. You can add them from here. Or you can even go ahead and add automatic captions from here as well. Now, I have not generated all the scenes over here, but in here, as you can see, this is the video that you had seen on the very starting of the video. And this, I had generated all the parts. You can see over here, right? So this is quite amazing, as you can see. So I can use these clips as well to put them all together. That's totally up to us. Now, once you have completed the entire thing, all that you need to do is click on export video, right? Just click on export video and then give it a name. Say Iron Man story, just for an example. Then choose the quality. I'll choose it high. Resolution, I'll choose full HD, and the format as MP4, and click on create, and boom. As you can see, this is being rendered. Now, once this is rendered, this would be available and you can download this and use it anywhere that you wish to. Now, you just need to come over to this My Videos, and once it is exported, you can find it over here, as you can see, right? You can one-click download this, and then you can actually use it anywhere on earth that you wish to. You can upload it on your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you want to, right? So that's how cool it is. Now this is being downloaded, so we will play the downloaded version to show you exactly how it looks like once it is rendered. So let's play this.
Dad, can we go to the toy supermarket today?
Of course, buddy. Let's go and see what you like.
Yay! Thank you, Dad!
Look at the expressions, right?
Huge!
It sure is. Let's find something special.
I can't wait! Wow! Look at all these toys!
Take your time. Choose your favorite.
I will, Dad!
So this is really authentic and amazing, right? And this is exactly how now I have created 3 scenes. If you want to, you can create 300 scenes, right? It's all the same. We just need to repeat, right? You just need to say ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, give me the prompt for 25 scenes, 30 scenes, 50 scenes, whatever scenes you require. And you get those prompts, get onto Video Express AI and get going. That's all that you need to do. That's how easy it is, right? Now, Video Express AI isn't all about just this. Apart from this, it has multiple other features, a multitude of features rather. So I'm not going into that detail over here, but I'll give a full demo of Video Express AI down below in the description. If you wish to, you can check that out as well. That's totally up to you. That being said, it also comes with a automatic captions app as well. So for that, just come over here and click on automatic captions. And this is a totally different app, but this is inbuilt within Video Express AI. Whenever you buy the all access plan of Video Express AI, you get this software as a complimentary, right? You just need to sign in over here as I've done. And in here, you just need to click on create. And then it has a seamless connection with Video Express AI. So you can just click on import from Video Express AI. You can get the video, click on submit. And as you can see, it is fetching the video over here. So let's wait. There you go. It has fetched the video. Now, once this is done, just click on next. And in here, as you can see, it's English. Okay. If I want to translate the subtitles, I can do that. Since there are 2 voices, so I'll turn this on and then I'll click on next. Then choose the size as our video is horizontal. So we'll keep that. Then I'll click on next again. And then is the add subtitles, right? So I'm going to just turn this on, add subtitles. Then you can select what kind of subtitles you want. So we can go for animated or a word by word, or we can go by standard as well. The standard, you can see the previews are here. This is the standard one. Now, if you want animated one, you can just come over animated and there you go. This is the animated version. And now if you want to increase the font size, you can do that as well. Say, for example, I find the captions to be of lower size. So I've increased the size now. And then if I want the alignment on the center, I can do that. Then the position, I can keep changing. Then I can change all the colors as well. All of that is customizable. Once this is done, we'll go for next. And in here, there's an inline video editor. If we want to, you can add that. If we want to add a bar, we can add that. I'm not doing that. Then if you want to add a background music, you can do that. And once all is done, you can actually edit the transcription as well if you have any kind of doubts, or you can just click on save, give it a name. Say, I will give it Iron Man, and then I'll click on create transcript. And as you can see, it's being created. So let's wait a little. And as you can see, it has been done over here. So you can just go ahead and download the video, or you can download the SRT file as well. You can preview this as well. So that's totally up to you. I've given it to download. So let's wait. So as you can see, it has been done. So let's play this.
Dad,
And look at this.
supermarket today?
Of course, buddy. Let's go and see.
Look at the captions. Look at the highlighting. Everything is perfect, right?
This store is huge.
So let's close this. This is all that I wanted to say. So all of that, the voiceover, the consistent characters, the videos, the images, the background musics, the sound effects, all of that was done using Video Express AI. Now, even if you want to write the prompts, you can actually use the enhanced prompt feature and use Video Express itself. But then I like to have more control over prompting. That's why I had pasted the prompt. But it is definitely all-in-one software, all-in-one software that you would ever need to produce AI videos. And it is definitely going to give competitions to market leaders like Kling. But on the other hand, softwares like Kling actually charge you a ton of money per month, yet they are not unlimited. But this tool over here actually gives you nearly unlimited usage at a one-time lifetime price. That means no recurring bills. The best part over here is that if you do decide to buy through my link, which is down below in the description link, you can actually get a ton of custom bonuses as well. For the same price, but you get additional bonuses. And these bonuses are all different AI softwares, as you can see on screen. So this is definitely going to help you to make more out of Video Express AI and more out of your internet journey. That being said, if you want to buy Video Express AI today, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link. That should take you to Video Express AI sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can check out this page at your own time. As you can see, it's highly rated on Capterra, Software Advice, all of these apps, right? It's in the market for over 4 to 5 years. It has come up leaps and bounds right from Video Express AI 1.0 to 3.0. I have used them all, and 3.0 is really mind-blowing. That being said, to purchase this app, once again, remember, go down on the description link, click the link and come over to the sales page. And in here, just click on any of these buttons to go over to the pricing plan. As you can see, there are 2 pricing plans. One is the basic and the other is the all access. But remember, the basic plan is just entry into the software, it has a lot of features that is missing. So I would definitely recommend the all access one, and the all access one you can get at a one-time price of $179. But that being said, you can apply this coupon code to get a 10% off, which brings the price down to around $160. And at that price, a lifetime price, mind you never need to pay again. This is an awesome software to have. And the best part, it keeps upgrading and you get those upgrades for free, right? So that's an awesome deal. That being said, you just need to come over here and click on this button over here. This would take you to this contact form and payment information. Now, if you are from India, you can use Google Pay as well, or you can use your cards. And in here, you just need to apply this coupon code. If you are going through our link, this coupon code would be auto-enabled because we do have that kind of link so that you save this money, right? You can see 10% off. That is all that you get. Apart from that, you also get my bonuses. Once again, just to give you a reminder, those bonuses are only applicable if you are buying through us, because the link below in the description is going to be our affiliate link, which means we are going to make a little money out of your sale, but you are not going to be charged a single dime extra. Instead, you would get a discount and you would get a ton of bonuses as well for absolutely free. So it's a win-win for both of us, right? Plus you get my able guidance as well on how to use Video Express AI. That being said, once you make the purchase, just reach out to us on this WhatsApp number that you can see on screen or on this email ID, and we will help you out with the bonuses. So that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Video Express AI tutorial. If you want any more further tutorial on this kind of tool, do not hesitate. Just give me a knock in the comment box. I will actually create a video for you as well. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well to get informed about this kind of tool that can change the way you work on the internet. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself, families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Cheyenne. Take care. Bye-bye.